Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some of the most common HVAC problems and how you can fix them yourself. You know, I hate shortcuts and I hate it when people get ripped off, especially in their own homes. HVAC problems, they can really throw a wrench in your day, leaving you sweating in the summer or freezing in the winter. But you know what really grinds my gears? Homeowners getting taken for a ride by shady contractors. That's why we're here, to arm you with the knowledge you need to tackle those HVAC issues head-on. No more calling in the pros for every little thing. We're going to walk you through the basics, step by step, so you can diagnose the problem and get your HVAC system back up and running in no time. Remember, a little DIY can save you a whole lot of headaches and money down the road. Let's get started. Let's talk about preventative maintenance, folks. This is the bread and butter of a healthy HVAC system. Just like you wouldn't drive your car for years without an oil change, you can't expect your HVAC to run smoothly without a little TLC. First up, check those filters. A dirty filter is like a clogged artery for your system, restricting airflow and making everything work harder. Aim to replace them every 1 to 3 months or more often if you have pets or live in a dusty area. Next, head outside and give your condenser unit some love. This is that big metal box sitting outside your house. Make sure it's clear of debris like leaves, grass clippings, and dirt. These can build up and block airflow, putting extra strain on your system. Now, let's say you're already experiencing problems. One of the most common culprits? You guessed it, a clogged filter. How can you tell if your filter needs to be replaced? One telltale sign is reduced airflow. If the air coming out of your vents feels weak, that's a red flag. You might also notice your system running constantly, trying its hardest to compensate for that restricted airflow. This can lead to higher energy bills and put unnecessary wear and tear on your equipment. And let's not forget about uneven temperatures throughout your home. If one room's an icebox while another feels like a sauna, a clogged filter could be the issue. Remember folks, tackling a clogged filter is a simple fix with big rewards. A refrigerant leak is a whole different ballgame. This one's serious, folks. Refrigerant is what cools the air in your home, and if it's leaking, your system won't be able to keep up. One of the most obvious signs is warm air blowing from your vents, even when the AC is cranked up. That's a sure sign something's not right. You might also notice higher than usual energy bills, as your system struggles to compensate for the refrigerant loss. And keep an eye out for ice buildup on your refrigerant lines. This can indicate a leak and needs to be addressed ASAP. Now listen up, because this is important. Refrigerant leaks are dangerous and should only be handled by a licensed professional. Don't try to fix this one yourself. Call a reputable HVAC technician to diagnose and repair the leak safely. Your thermostat is the brains of your HVAC operation. It tells your system when to turn on and off, and what temperature to maintain. So if it's on the fritz, you're in for a bumpy ride. First things first, check the batteries. A dead battery is an easy fix and could be the culprit behind your thermostat woes. If the batteries are good, make sure the thermostat is set to the correct mode, heating or cooling, and temperature. It sounds obvious, but you'd be surprised how many times a simple setting adjustment does the trick. If you're still having problems, you might be dealing with a faulty wiring connection or a problem with the thermostat itself. Listen up, homeowners, your HVAC system should be running smoothly and quietly. If you start hearing strange noises, don't ignore them. They're trying to tell you something. A screeching sound could be a sign of a worn-out blower motor belt, while a grinding noise might indicate a problem with the motor bearings. Clicking sounds coming from the thermostat could point to electrical issues, and banging or rattling noises might mean something is loose or broken. The bottom line is, any unusual noises warrant further investigation. Early detection is key to preventing further damage and costly repairs down the road. Don't hesitate to call in a qualified HVAC technician if you're unsure about the source of the noise. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. Remember, a well-maintained HVAC system is a happy HVAC system. And a happy HVAC system means a comfortable home for you and your family. Don't let those HVAC problems get you down. With a little knowledge and a can-do attitude, you can tackle those common issues head-on and keep your home running smoothly year-round. Until next time, stay cool, stay informed, and don't cut corners.